Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a unboxing for my Boxy Charm from November, and I'm going to also try the things on my face. Sorry if my voice sounds a little weird, but I just woke up and it is like 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm trying not to speak too loud so I don't wake up everybody. I know I sound a little manly, but this is my morning voice. I got my coffee right here, so maybe my throat will clear up a little bit. So yeah, so let's just jump right in. I'm gonna do, like my foundation and all that stuff on camera. So yeah, so let's open up our Boxy Charm. So here's the box. Okay, and when you open it, you have the pamphlet right here. Well, is this the pamphlet? Yeah, you have the pamphlet, and it says the theme of the box is Gold Digger, and then it has the list of whatever's in your box with the prices, with the retail value. And hello. So let's jump right in. So I see I got these luxury Lashaholic lashes in Instagram. These are really pretty. I got a set of Luxy brushes. I'm gonna open these up. I'm gonna use a couple in my tutorial. They're all mini brushes, so they're all pretty small. Can I get it out? Okay. Alright, so this is what they look like. You get 4 mini eyeshadow brushes. And the packaging, like the handles, is like a glittery gold. Oh my god, they're so freaking cute. So I'm gonna use a couple of those. And now I see this eyeliner. It's long lasting intense black color, update your eyes, and the brand is Jonte Blue glittering star eyeliner. And you can actually see the glitters there. Like, that's glitter. That's so cute. I'm gonna use that as well. And one of the things I was most excited about is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in Nova. Those are pretty. Look at that. Oh, that's so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. That's bomb. And the last thing is the palette, which is the Ace Beauté palette. I think that's how they pronounce it. When you open it, it has that plastic thing, which I'm gonna get rid of because I hate it every time it falls out. It's annoying. So this is what the palette looks like. Okay, let me show you this way. This is what the palette looks like. It's very, very pretty. You can do this is like, to me, a pop of color. It's a very neutral kind of palette. The pans are pretty big. So yeah, can't wait to play with that. And the packaging is just, I love gold, so yes, give it to me. All right, so I'm just gonna dive in, and I am going to use this new foundation. It's the Maybelline 24-hour foundation in 312 Golden. That's the color I have. Next, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color medium. This came in my Ipsy bag last month, but I've been using it because it's the color that I use. I usually get medium or medium tan, something like that, but it's fine. It's good for me. It's for it to highlight under my eyes. Okay, now I'm going to take another new product that I got. I bought this stuff at Target. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I got mine in light medium just because I wanted to like highlight. And it's a sifter thing. See, comes like a sifter. So the first color I'm gonna take from this beautiful palette, I'm gonna take the color Clove, and I'm gonna put that in my crease with this crease brush that I have here. And I do have like that color switch from Sephora. It's like a little thing that you like swirl your brush around. It doesn't wet or anything, and it takes the color off. It does work, but I can't find it because I moved a few months ago, and I don't have my vanity set up, so all my makeup is all over the place. All right, so I'm gonna use that as a transition right there, you see. Now, I'm gonna take this Real Techniques base shadow brush, but I'm not gonna use it for that. I'm gonna take, let's see, I'm gonna take that rose color, and I'm going to put that a little lower on my crease. All right, so it has some kickback, as you can see, look. And then, yeah, dust it off, so put that in my crease underneath the other color, so lower in the crease area. Just shove it in there. Okay, so these colors are blending out really, really nicely. I am feeling this right now. I love the colors. They're really pigmented and they're blending out beautifully. Okay, so now for the lid area, I want to do something a little different than what I've been seeing. I'm going to put two colors because I'm going to do a halo eye. So I am going to take this Morphe flat eyeshadow brush. It's a M167. And I'm going to pick up this color Jasmine. It's like a champagne color. And I'm going to put that in the middle of my lid. I might have to wet my brush. Let's see. Yeah, let's wet the brush. All right, so I'm going to use my setting spray to wet the brush. So I'm only putting the color Jasmine in the middle of my lid. Okay. Now I'm going to take that color Rose, this color right here, and I'm going to put that on either side of the Jasmine color. So for that, I'm going to use these cute little brushes. I'm going to use this cute little brush from Luxie. It is the 121 mini tapered brush. So I'm going to use that one to apply that color. good. Okay, so now I want to deepen up the crease. I'm going to take that color, Cinnamon, and I'm going to put that right in the socket, in the eye socket. So I'm going to take my MAC brush. It's a MAC pencil brush. I have no idea the number because clearly I've had it for so long. It came off, but I love it. So I'm just going to put that right in the crease, in the socket area. See, so like when I open my eye, I'm going to put it like right there. So there you go. All right, Jasmine, right, let's go. So Jasmine is actually my sister's name. I have 2 older sisters, and Jasmine is the next one up, so she's the middle sister. So that's why I decided to use this color. My oldest sister has a very unique name, so I doubt I'll ever find her name in a palette. So if I ever come out with a palette, I'm gonna name my eyeshadow after her. Alrighty. So I'm feeling this right now. Okay, so I want to put that same jasmine color in my inner corner, and I'm gonna use this little Luxie brush. This is the Luxie 141 mini round brush. Can you see that? It's so cute and tiny. So I'm gonna take jasmine. I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm just gonna jump around. I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick. So my eyebrows are on. So let me set the rest of my face. I'm gonna use this stippling brush from MAC. It's a 187, and I'm going to, I know I never take this off. And I'm gonna use this Milani Conceal and Perfect Shine Proof Powder in 06 Beige. So they don't have a very good color selection. I would wish, like, I can't wait until for Milani to extend their shade range. Although I have seen another brand, it looks so similar to Milani. It's called Black Radiance. It's always right next to Milani anytime I've seen Milani in a drugstore. I'm just gonna take that rose color and I'm gonna put it in the lower, in my lower lash line. And I'm gonna use the same brush that I used before. Check out my cup though. It says, I love you more than coffee, but not always before coffee. I just knocked my tooth with my cup. I drink my coffee black in the morning. So good. Okay, so I'm not gonna do winged eyeliner. I wanna use this eyeliner, so I'm just gonna put it on my, like, very close. I'm just gonna, let's see what happens. It's a little bulky, but okay. I didn't want to make the line too thin either because I want you to see the glitter. But I feel like it looks more chunky than, oh, there you go, okay. Can you see the glitter? Ah, I have glitter. Okay, I love this. By the way, don't mind my hair. I did it last night, but Anybody gonna straighten out their hair at 5 o'clock in the morning to film no damn video? So, okay, so a little update. I was using the It Cosmetics mascara that I got in my bag in my Boxy Charm box last month. So I love the way it makes my lashes look, but there's a big but. I wore it for like a week, but 2 days out of that week, my eyelashes were crumbling, and it was so annoying. Like, I don't know if it was just that day or the weather or I don't know, but I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara today. Cause I think I'm gonna leave this makeup on all day, and I don't want this shit to crumble in my eyeballs. So this is my OG, my ride or die. So it has never failed me, ever. I used to use the Maybelline mascaras, and after using this, oh gosh, I forgot who put me onto this. It was somebody on YouTube. It might have been Jaclyn Hill. Oh my God, like years ago. Once I tried it, I mean, my eyelashes are crazy long anyways. I really wanted to put on these lashes, but I don't know if I have the glue here. No lashes because I don't have my glue. So now I am going to take this dark brown eyeliner from LA Girl, and I'm gonna put that in my lower lash line. Now I gotta do my lower lashes because we're done. So now, let me do my bronzer. I'm gonna use this brush I got in TJ Maxx. I have no idea. It's like an angled brush. I use this for my bronzer. I'm gonna use my Morphe Debutante bronzer, and I'm obsessed with it. It's like so pretty. I'm gonna take my Milani blush in Rose de Oro, my favorite blush of all time. So now I'm gonna clean up underneath my bronzer, and I'm gonna use the damp beauty sponge just to sharpen it up a little bit. You see I got a little mess. I'm a little messy. So I got in this like little lipstick set from Stila. I think it was like $32, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. And I think since I did, let me see, I did like a dark lip, like a Vino in the other one. I don't want to use another dark color. Let's do Fire. It's like a very neutral color. First I'm gonna use this Buxom lip liner. What color is this? I don't even know. So they say it's still it's the Plump Line lip liner in Undercover. I also got this in a set last year for Christmas. I'm just gonna line and fill in my lips with this one first. And I'm going with Fire over top. it's time to wipe this away. Now I got a fucking contour. Now, the star of the show. Highlight time. Okay, so this is very, very intense. So I'm literally gonna like put two dots on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna apply this with a brush. I'm gonna take this concealer brush from Wet n Wild and do it with that. It's completely clean, I've never used it before, so. Find a clean finger. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. Oh, that is intense. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Damn. I'm feeling this right now. Like all the way feeling it. Oh my god. Literally 2 drops and I still have, look how much. That is, wow, that is pretty. Okay, so now I need to set my base. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I used most of the stuff from the Boxy Charm. I literally only didn't use one brush and the lashes. I didn't use the lashes because I don't have my eyelash glue in front of me. But I'm probably going to put them on later on, so I'll take pictures and I'll insert the pictures at the end of this video. And also my main picture of the video, like my thumbnail will probably be me wearing those lashes. So yeah, I really love the palette. The glitter Nova drops are amazing. Like I used a tiny bit and I still have so much. And like my highlight is out of control today. Yeah, I liked everything I used. The brushes were perfect for precision. Areas on the eyes and stuff, so it was really good. Just with the glitter drops are $44. So that right there, you're getting double the amount that you pay for the box. The box is $21 a month. So just with the drops, you get your money's worth. The Luxie eye brush set is $21. The Ace Beauty palette is $24.99. The Star eyeliner is $5 and the lashes are $14.99. And this is the Gold Digger palette, and I cannot wait. I'm gonna do another look using this palette because I have an idea with that copper and gold colors, something very, very fall-ish. So yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit that notification bell because it's the new thing to do, and also subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you want to see, let me know what you didn't like. I will see you in the next video.